I came to Dr. Champagne about, I would say, 2 years ago because I had a chip in a front tooth and I felt very uncomfortable and very awkward. And I met with Dr. Champagne. Not only was he very sympathetic, very kind, and very caring, what I found to be the most positive experience was the fact that his office and his office staff, the people that work and surround him, are friendly, they're compassionate, they're more intimate with their patients, they make you feel welcome, and they work together as a team. And they always have a smile on their face, and they're always there to listen. And I think when you go to a dentist, certainly there are apprehensions. It's not the most favorite place that you want to be. But when you have a staff that represents the doctor and is as welcoming as the staff, it really makes overall the experience certainly worthwhile. I would recommend wholeheartedly to anyone this office and the practice and the staff as well. So that's it.